Imagine you are on a small boat floating on a quiet river. The sun is warm, water is calm, and everything feels peaceful. Next moment, another boat crashes into yours. What will be your first reaction? I'm sure it will be anger, frustration, like who did this? But when you look closer, you notice that boat is empty. No one is driving the boat. No one meant to harm you. And just like that, your anger melts away. So this is the empty boat theory. Most of the time we feel upset, offended or hurt, not because of what other people do, but because of what we think they meant. But the good news is you always have a choice. You can always choose to let go, stay calm and protect your peace. Because sometimes the boat was empty all along. Life becomes so much easier when you stop taking everything personally.